Guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell from the title, today we have the Off-White Blazers. Before I unbox these shoes right here, I want to tell you guys about this company. This company is called HOTKICK. They are a new collaboration. This video is a collaboration, but I'm going to give you guys an honest review. I have their WhatsApp, their Instagram, their Facebook, their website, a discount code which helps you out and helps me out in the description, everything in the description. Also, if any shoe companies want to collaborate, just message my Instagram down below, or if you have any questions, you can comment or message my Instagram down below. But yeah, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and then I'm going to change the view. Roll the intro. Alright guys, we do have the shoes right here. And like I said before, most rep companies, their shoes are under $200. These were about $115, I think. They come in about 10 days, which is very good. I think the shipping's 10 to 15 days. I got mine in 10 days, which is very good. So just gonna unbox these. Like I said, everything's in the description. These are size 12.5. Wanted to see what all the half sizes are about because I've never got a half size. So, and as you can tell, guys, I already looked at these. This box is very damaged. One of the worst dents I've ever seen in a box. Honestly, guys, all the sneaker companies, this was double boxed. They do a lot to make their shoe good, to make their packaging good, and sometimes it just happens. Maybe 1 out of 15 shoes, because I get a lot of shoes, will be damaged like this. And I know HOTKICK is a good company. It just happens sometimes, so I just got to deal with it. I don't get too mad because I wear the shoes, not the box, so it doesn't really matter. The rest of the box looks in pretty good condition. There we got the 12.5 size tag. I'm just gonna open these up. Okay, we got 1 shoe, 2 shoe. Then we got about that, guys. My camera cut out, but we do have the StockX sticker, StockX paper, good condition. And then we have the StockX tag, which is the updated one with the white circle around it. So they come with the regular laces, and they come with these turquoise laces. And then we got the white paper and the off-white paper in the bottom. You can see the off-white. I do have a lot of off-white reviews, so you guys just go back in my videos. Probably have around 10 or 12, maybe 14 off-white reviews. But we're just going to do a 360 around the sneaker first. What's cool about these shoes, real and fake, they do have these extra hub things for skaters. But I like the color of this swoosh. It's really nice. And we have the made in China thing that comes on the real ones. But overall, if you look at the stitching, it's very consistent like most of the reps I get. Like I said before, HOTKICK is a very good company. You can see, if you get close up, there's the bottom, and I can show the other one. They do have the Nike on the side, Nike sportsmanship, and then both the laces have the shoelaces, and we have the 10 off-white right there. And then the size tag, I could try to show you guys that. You have the little Nike size tag is right there. You can barely see that. But yes, overall the whole shoe, you can see around the whole thing. It's very good quality, guys. All the stitching, the glue is just very good. And some reps will smell really bad or really strong. These are some of the reps I got. They don't smell like super strong at all. Like, they just smell like you got them from Nike, which is a very good sign. But honestly, guys, I do recommend these shoes. Next, we're going to do the on feet, and then we're going to just talk about the more shoes again, and then that'll be it for the video. Guys, we got the shoes right here, and honestly, guys, it just happens sometimes, to be honest with you. Let me adjust my quick. It just happens sometimes, honestly. So with the damaged box, it just happens with any company. Sometimes it's gonna happen. It's fine though. But you just saw the on feed. Honestly, these are very good quality. I recommend getting these. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, message my Instagram or comment down below. If you want any other shoes, just put them down in the description. I'll try my best to get them. So that's about it for the video. Roll the outro.